Okay, we're back for another drag race. So here's what we have. 2019 Infiniti Q60S Red Sport, makes 400 horsepower, V6 twin turbo. On my left side, we have a BMW M3 2011, that's the sedan, manual transmission, of course V8 naturally aspirated, and it makes about 414 from the specs when it was first released. Now, here's what we want to do for today's video. Have fun. Basically, it's not here to prove anything. I just wanted to see how well a V8 can keep up with a V6 twin turbo or vice versa. So for today's video, we got Tristan on the other side with his BMW. You can follow him on Instagram. And if you want to reach out, ask him any questions if you want to buy one. And of course, again, that's manual. This is automatic. So what I'm going to do is I put this in manual transmission, and then to make it sort of fair, compared to that.
Okay, you're good.
That really took off. Wow!
That was better, but I pulled on you. I pull on you in third gear.
You know, I had it in sport mode on the first one, but I didn't have it in sport plus. That's why it made a difference on the second run.
Yeah.
That's very interesting. I mean, almost 10 years old, and it's keeping up with this.
Yeah.
I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed.
Yeah,
Did you like it? Did you have fun?
I did, yeah.
Right? It's just good to see, right? We're not here to win anything.
Yeah,
I just
fun.
wanted to see like V8 naturally aspirated against the V6 twin turbo.
Yeah. It's when you shift. I can tell when you shift. I just keep pulling because I'm only going to third gear.
Yeah. This though takes some time to shift. Remember I told you like it's really slow on shifting.
I'm shifting like, as quick as I can.
Yeah, like that. You see, that's where you're catching up on that. But like at the beginning, I took off because of all-wheel drive system.
Yeah, you did.
And you were spinning quite a lot. And then when we got to like at the top, and I was like really hammering, and you were just, I was pedal to the metal.
I was too, yeah.
Pedal to the metal. Insane. I loved it. Man, this is so much fun.